the first time usage of Orboot, make sure you allow the camera to be used for the app. So first thing is we get into the app.
Let's spin Orboot!
And usually right here it will ask you for access to the camera. You go ahead and click yes.
Hey, Orbooter! Let's get started! Hold the iPad with both your hands.
So the first time it'll ask you to point to at the center of the screen.
Find the Eiffel Tower on the globe.
Find the Eiffel Tower.
Now point the device at it and match the outline.
See the middle? Oh, there it is.
Awesome!
Okay, and
Tap
we
on
have
Explore to travel the world.
Goods, park, and tour. So most of the time we just go to Explore.
Choose a star on the globe and match it with the star in the center of your screen.
Okay.
Ensure that the room is good job! Now, tap on any of the highlights to know more.
See right there, I've tapped into, I think, somewhere in the Middle East. And right here is animals. So I can click on the animal and it'll tell me more information about it.
Greetings, my friend. I am the Arabian camel, or the dromedary camel.
Drag the food that you think it'll love to eat.
Okay. Now, in addition to animals, as you can see, it says culture and tell you more. Also cuisine and map around the area. Monument. So you can just click on it and it'll just tell you
Mecca,
more.
Islam's holiest city.
Okay.
This
Move
city
it.
is known for the Muslim pilgrimage that takes place every year. They believe it has to be visited at least once in a lifetime.
So remember, as you can see, in the center of the iPad has the star, and you just got to make sure you find a star. Okay, or okay. Now, if we go back home, we can also go to tour and just have a look. All right, thank you for watching.
See your collected